Okay guys, I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna do just like a quick going out, running errands type of look, just kind of perfecting my skin, playing around with a couple of new products, testing them out. So I'm using this primer from Too Faced, the Plump and Prime Luxury Primer Serum. Ooh, this feels very nice. It feels plumping. It really does feel plumping. So since I'm testing out a primer, I want to kind of get a good sense of it. So I'm going to use a foundation I always use, my trusty NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So I'm using the color Sahel. Let's see if this is the right shade. And I'm getting my beauty blender really nice and wet. This is one of those foundation, you guys, where I've been using it probably maybe like 4 years, I want to say, which is crazy. It's like one of those tried and true that I'll always use forever. It'll be like one of those products that I know there's no guessing, it always works. Okay, I want to show you quickly the concealer that I'm using. This is from Giorgio Armani. I just want to see what kind of coverage this concealer gives. Luminous Silk Concealer. This concealer is also very nice. It's like very hydrating. There's for sure a difference on both sides, but it's not a thick, heavy concealer. So if you like more lightweight concealers that are more hydrating, you will love this. The shade that I'm using is 5.75. I don't know if that's the right shade for me at all. I could probably play around with a few others, but this is the only one I have. I want to show you guys. You know how sometimes when you put concealer on and it looks really heavy and cakey and you smile and you see like a bunch of lines? Nothing. It's such a nice hydrating formula. So I really recommend this if you tend to get lines or if you're drier in this area. I really love it. I'm not going to set it with powder because I feel like as soon as I set concealer with powder, it just looks cakey. So I'm just going to use a little bit of the one size powder just around other parts of my face and just like really avoiding the eye area. Just go just in this area. It kind of blurs out. So I just set all of the areas where I tend to get shiny. I really don't want to over powder. I'm just going to leave it like that. I didn't set my under eyes. I'm going to do a very subtle bit of bronzer. It's just going to give just like a really pretty glow. This is one of my favorites, you guys. I've been using this bronzer for years. This is the MAC Cosmetics Refined Golden Bronzing Powder. It has like a little bit of golden shimmer to it and a really nice warm orangey undertone that just looks so good on everyone. Warm undertones for bronzers always, I think, look so much better than ashy undertones. Oh, I do not like that. So I'm just going to use this all over. Use this on my cheeks. I did a little bit of highlighter and blush, which literally makes all the difference in the world. If you look tired or sleepy, just do some highlighter and blush and you'll look like a different person. Oh, and for blush, you guys, I'm using my Eman times Catrice Cheeky Blush Palette. If you find this in stores, let me know. If you have this palette, let me know. I will forever love this palette. It's going to hold such a special place in my heart because it was my first product collab with a makeup brand. You guys know I love the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump, or what's the other one called? The Extreme Plump. I love all of the lip injections. And they came out with a couple of new ones. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection Ultimate Lip Plumper. I don't know if this is new or not, but this is the one I usually use, which is kind of clear. And then I really love this one, which is kind of like a pinky. This is the Maximum Plump. This is the limited edition from their Teddy collection. Look how cute this is. I feel like that would look really pretty. I'm going to try this one because I like this one because it doesn't have any sparkle to it. I love this lip gloss because it's your natural lip color, but enhanced, and then it just makes your lips look plump as well. When you put it on, probably within like 10 seconds, you start to feel the tingling. That's how you know it's working and plumping. Look how pretty that is, you guys. And like as you wear it, your lips will start to get a little bit more color. I love this. I think this is like the perfect, easy to throw on gloss. If you're not used to that tingling sensation, it might take like a little bit to get used to, but just keep in mind, like it only tingles for a couple minutes and then it stops, but the look stays. Let's set my brows. I'm using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter in clear. I am dying to get my eyebrows done, you guys, but the place that I go to is really far and I've just been lazy to go all the way over there. But I have to do it because my brows are looking crazy. They're very ungroomed, unruly. They just need to be cleaned up a little bit. The shape needs to be cleaned up. So for now, I'm just gonna do some brow gel, let that kind of dry, and then I'll place them. I really like this brow gel from Benefit. The last new product that I'm trying out today is this mascara from Joa Beauty. Lash Up Rising Mascara. It's volumizing and lengthening. So let's see. I like the bottle, so pretty. I like the wand, nice and thick. First impression, the formula is very soft. Like it's not like bam lashes, you know? It's okay, like it's nothing extraordinary. If you like more of a natural lash, I think this is more of a natural lash. I honestly don't feel like it's giving a ton of lengthening. I've definitely used other mascaras where like I feel like they make my lashes look so long. This one is not really doing that. I am getting volume, but the lashes are also kind of sticking together, which I don't love. But first impressions, I'm going to say this is a very average mascara, nothing special. I probably give it 4 out of 10. Is that really mean? Ooh. Okay, that is all my makeup, you guys. I did not set the concealer and I love how it looks. So hands down, the #1 product from this look is this Giorgio Armani concealer. I love it. The primer from Too Faced is really nice. Like I feel like my skin looks beautiful and glowing. So kind of love this. But you know what? Let me wear all of this and then we'll see how it looks at the end of the day. That's it for the makeup. This is very easy go-to kind of vibes, running around town vibes. My makeup looks so good and I filmed like hours and hours ago. I don't know how long ago, but it's been all day and my makeup looks so good. So I will definitely be using those products in another video.